Beauty bosses. Beauty boss. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be using this luxury, and when I say luxe, it's luxe. We just came out with a double cleansing cleanser. Yeah, a double cleanser. And what that means is basically it removes it removes your makeup, it removes dirt, it removes everything on your face. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Getting ready to use our new cleanser, and it's super easy and I love it, and it really does remove all of the dirt. And it is so amazing for sensitive skin, all types of skin, but it removes all the dirt. And these days I don't wear a lot of makeup because of this mask, but your face still, you'll be surprised, your face still gets really dirty. I live out here in the desert in Las Vegas, so child, my face just it gets dirty. So you're seeing how I apply the cleanser. And then also fun fact, you don't wet your face first. You start with dry skin and then you put it on. And then I like to dip my Vanity Planet spin brush in water, and then that activates the suds. But first you put it on dry because it acts as, it's a double cleanser. So it's like a oil based, it's really not oil based, but it activates more with the water. So that's what you see me doing here. And you want to make sure you get everything, and I mean everything. And thumbs down to this freaking pimple that wanted to pop up. I never get pimples, but you know, time of the month is coming, so here we are. So we do all that, and look at the dirt that can come. Like, that's just dirt from the day. So we get all that off, wipe that off. And then the next thing we're going to use is the CELLPROOF infusion mask. Now, what I love about these luxury products are they all have collagen in them. Each product that you see me use has collagen in them. That's what makes it so luxury. And what I love about this mask is that you put it on and then it kind of foams up and it feels like little bubbles, suction bubbles. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's super cool how you feel it working on your face. Like, child, it works. And then you'll see it start to bubble up on your face. It's cool. And you leave it on for 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. And as you can see, it foamed up. Like, you see, like, I'm trying to go in so you can see like it working. Like, it kind of, and you can see little pockets, like it bubbling, you know what I mean? Like, you can see it. And it feels like tingly on your face. It's super cool. So I'm singing because what else do you do for 5 minutes? And that's my guy Blast. Love him. So yeah. Then after you see it kind of goes away after it's done working. So after the 5 minutes, you add the serum, which again, it is our CELLPROOF serum, and this has collagen in it. And I was going to do it on my face, but sometimes it doesn't work out, goes everywhere else, so I just did it in my hand. And then you just massage that in. And at this point, baby, my skin is feeling like silk because that mask And what I love about the mask, again, is you only use this mask 2 to 3 times per week. You don't even have to use it every day. So, love it. So then after you use the serum, then you go in with the CELLPROOF moisturizer. And again, this has collagen in it as well. And it says 2 full pumps, but I just use 1. 1 is enough for me. So you can use 1 or 2. It's really up to you. And you see that pimple? Oh, it's so bad. Yeah, but my face, I mean, I don't know if you could tell, but I could tell that my face just looks so much better, child. So it is that easy. The glow up is that easy. And after that, I add some of our CELLPROOF lip complex to my lips because it gives you a little plumpness and again has collagen in it. If you have skin and you're over the age of 25, you need collagen. So I don't even care about, black don't crack. If you have skin, you need your collagen, child. So anyways, so that's my routine. That's my night routine. That's my day routine. I try to do this routine twice a day, but if I can't get to it twice, I definitely get to it at night. So I'm just admiring my skin, as you can see. I love you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you ring that bell, and make sure you subscribe, and I will be dropping a new video every Monday. Love y'all. Beauty bosses. Beauty boss.